Good morning, my all dear friends. I am Somidul, and you are watching your most favorite channel, your own channel, Dakchhe Sobuj Dakchhe, calling greens, calling there. And today we have come up again with a new episode, and in this episode we are going to show you unboxing of some medicinal plant which I have purchased from Mukherjee Horticultural Farm. I placed an order to Mukherjee Horticultural Farm of Kolkata to send me 5 pieces of rosemary plant, 5 pieces of Gynura procumbens plant, 5 pieces of stevia plant, and 1 piece of long black mulberry and 1 piece of banana mango plant. And on placing my order, said farm has sent me all those plants through courier service and it has reached to me today. How it has come and in what conditions I have been able to receive all these plants, I will show you today by unboxing the package in which these plants have been sent to me by the said farm. This is that package. I am showing you the condition of the package. It has been reached in safe condition and it has been packaged beautifully and scientifically. These are the windows which have been made in this package for free air circulation so that the plants within it must not get any suffocation or blocking of airs. And accordingly, the plants will suffer less journey shock. I don't know in what conditions the plants are within this packet. After unboxing it, all that will be clear. Now let's proceed and to see the plants within it. Before unboxing this package, I want to make it clear before you all that all those viewers who are regularly watching our episodes know it very well that in an previous episodes we have discussed about the benefits of the medicinal plant, that is rosemary plant, and in that episode we have told you in detail in how many ways these rosemary plants acts for protecting our health from the attack of various diseases, and how it keeps our health good, and how it keeps our mind good, and it refreshes our mind, and it refreshes our work energy and power, it refreshes our concentration. All these things have been discussed in that episode. Those who have already watched, you know all, and who have not been able to watch those episodes, you may subscribe and open our channel, and in that channel you will get more than 100 episodes of various discussions, and especially the episode in which we have discussed about the benefits of rosemary plants. The link of that episode I will give you in the description of the present episode. In another previous episode, we have discussed in detail in respect of the Gynura procumbens plant, and that episode also you will get in our channel. And the link of that episode you will get in the description box here in. Now, in short, I may tell you the benefits of stevia plant is also more or less the same as the Gynora procumbens plant and rosemary plants. Anyway, now let's pause it and to see the plants, how it has come to me, in what condition it has reached to me, and what are those plants and the looks of those plants for the present in my hand. So I am starting to unbox this package. I will cut open the box and take out the plants within it. In this package, the plants have been placed in this manner. Now, one by one, I will open these plants from this package. This is stevia plant. The plant has reached to my house in this condition. This is rosemary plant. This is also a rosemary plant. This is Gynora procumbens plant. This is Stevia plant. This is also a Stevia plant. This is rosemary plant. This is Stevia plant. This is rosemary plant. This is also a rosemary plant. This is a Stevia plant. And this is long black mulberry plant. It has reached to my house in this condition. Some journey shock has been sustained by this plant, I am seeing. And after getting rest, it will be okay and well. And this is banana mango plant. It has sustained a serious journey shocks. And as it is the season of mango, you are watching in this plant, the flowers have come up. But I will break this flower because I will not allow these flowers to be fruited for keeping the health of this plant good, at least for this year. And I will wait up to next year for its healthy growth. And this is the last one. This is also a plant of rosemary. Actually, the look of the plant is like this. So we have unboxed all the plants, and all the plants have been able to reach my house after a long journey. Though as usual, some plants have sustained journey shock. It is usual, and after getting rest, it will get fresh enough. And according to the instruction of the owner of Mukherjee Horticultural Farm, that is our Mukherjee da, I will keep all these plants today at this stage after sprinkling some fresh water, and I will keep it in my green shade. And as in the morning I am preparing this episode, in the afternoon, as per instruction of our Mukherjee da, I will plant all these plants in 3 inches tub after preparing its soil very simply. That is plain garden soil 60% and 40% old cow dung compost manure and nothing else. No other manure I will apply at the time of plantation of these plants. After plantation, I will keep all those plants in my semi-shade area, in my rooftop garden, in a place where these plants will get 1 to 2 hours of direct sunlight, and thereafter in that place shade will spread, and I will keep it there, and I will not replace it from that place to and fro. Keeping all these plants in that way, some days when it will be fresh enough, I will take out all these plants in direct sunlight. So this was our today's episode. If this episode makes you feel good and it inspires you in any way, that will be a success. And those who have already subscribed to our channel, we are thankful to them all. And those who are watching this episode for the first time in this channel, please do subscribe our channel and click on the all notification bell on the right side, so that in future, as soon as we will upload all further episode in future, that will reach to you very fast. So I am closing now this episode today. Stay well, stay safe. Namaste.